Hello everybody. These are all young birds. I've had to move my strawberries. I've put them on the inside of my aviary in the safety door because all the big strawberries which were turning red were getting stolen by blackbird, I think. Anyway, where's them birds? Here they are. Got the old droppers out. Got one fresh young red in there, look. Come on. Let's count them down. Oh, come on, this shed. No, they're not. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to open that aviary up so that youngest red can come out for the first time. I don't think it will go up. Might do. I better snip away at them laurel bushes, look, because they were quite tall and flapping about, and I think that was putting the old birds off the other day. So I'll go up and cut it back as best I can reach to please myself and the neighbour. We like to have nice neighbours. Come on. Well, that's that younger red gone up. I noticed it because of the beak. Quite big, scrawny looking thing, I think it was. Come on. There it is, look. That's definitely the youngest one. Don't know where to go, look. I think it might have landed on the back of the shed. Oh, I missed that. Did the rest of them... I think the rest of them birds dropped. Let's go and have a count up. Yeah, that youngest one's back over there, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Here it comes. That's the youngest one. Two hours in the bag. Now I know they can do 2 hours, they'll always do 2 hours. Because I won't drop them before 2 hours. Come on. Let's see if we can get that youngest red over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, maybe tomorrow. Saying that, they might not go up tomorrow. Done 2 hours today. Might give them a day off. Might do, but I doubt it. If it's not raining. Bad. I actually let these out in the rain. Got them when it's raining. Just a light spit, but they still went out. I thought, oh, you've got to put them out, haven't you? Come on. Is that last red? Look. Come on. Come over here. Come on. What happened there? Something happened then. They fluttered up. One went up. That'll come down. Come on. Come on. Well, we hope it'll come down. Come on. Oh, it's getting in. Don't push your luck. Move them all along so I don't clip the wings. Right. All these are going mad, but they've all had one scoop of barley. A minute, they've all had one scoop of barley, so I'm not going to give them all another scoop of depurative. And he drops it. This drop looked like I want a bit more food. I weren't getting a lot of food for some reason, so I've put them in a box and been feeding it up. Sometimes they go like that. They're not getting the best of food, are they, droppers? Right, another little handful. Come on. Any more up there? No. Shut that flap. They've not had a great deal of food. I'm not measuring their food at the minute. Give them another little bit of depurative. They only had barley yesterday. Right, that's it. That's it for today. Got to replenish their water, these ones. They've got water in front of them all the time at the minute, these birds. Except for that, I'll keep me moving about. I need to buy another couple of pots. Or find one from somewhere. But yeah. Righto. thanks for watching. Give us a like if you can, and probably see you tomorrow or whenever. Bye for now.